Hello everyone! Today I will introduce you to an app that I highly recommend. It's called AMAZIOGRAPH. This app lets you create symmetrical images such as the mandala and kaleidoscope designs. This app specializes in creating symmetrical images. It doesn't include any other features, but I highly recommend it since you can draw beautiful lines easily. When I bought it, it was only around 120 yen or about $1.2 US. This app is well reviewed and popular enough to be featured on the official Apple website, so feel free to download it and give it a try. In this video, I will briefly show you its application. Alright, let's open the app. The screen looks like this at first. You should see a plus button at the upper left, and we'll start from here. You have many options to choose from as you start, but options are available for symmetrical tool selection. This time, I'll go with this two-mirror kaleidoscope. When you open kaleidoscope, radial grids extending from the center, which look kind of like this, will show up. As you can see, as soon as I draw something within one grid, my drawing gets reflected on the other grids at the same time. So even by quickly drawing something like I did just now, we can create cool looking designs. You know, it feels great to draw using this app because it literally lets you draw instantly. Now let me explain the menu settings at the top. There are many options here, but we can adjust the size or opacity level for the brush. The one in the middle, which is what I'm adjusting right now, is the opacity level. The bokeh adjustments are next to it as well as brush thickness. There's also a layer panel at the upper right here. With these layers, you could stack them to create mandala designs. There are other options including settings at the upper right where you can increase the number of grids or change the canvas size. Since this video is about introducing the app AMAZIOGRAPH, I'm not going to do much for the settings and keep on drawing with default settings this time. I also want to show you how to color your drawing made on AMAZIOGRAPH on Procreate, so I'm just going to fast forward a bit for AMAZIOGRAPH for now.
I tried this a million times, oh no, to get this off my mind,
Alright, I'm now done with drawing on AMAZIOGRAPH. I got the impression that the more you work on it, the more difficult it gets. We can then export once it's complete. When exporting from the settings at the upper right, make sure Show Grids is turned off to make grids invisible. Then, before exporting, switch on the Include Transparency. This means that we can export while keeping the background transparent. It's pretty much the same as exporting in PNG. Once exported, we'll now go to the drawing app called Procreate. Open your camera roll using a split view. The image of a mandala design from earlier is saved here, so drag and drop it into Procreate. I want to start coloring, but I only want to color the part of lines. To To do this, add a new layer on top, choose a color of your choice, and start roughly coloring on the canvas here. I'm using this brush called Soft Brush this time, but you may choose any brush. I want to stack multiple layers on top of one another, and I'm going to overglaze with a red base color. Once you're done coloring, from the adjustment layer at the top, select the distortion option. You should see both right swirl and left swirl under distortion. When you select it and hold it on the canvas, it creates a marble pattern as you can see. This is pretty interesting as well. So just like this, you can keep creating marble patterns as much as you want. I'm pretty much done with the marble pattern, so I'm going to add colors on top. When doing so, select the layer and tap the option called Clipping Mask. This enables you to color only part with the lines like this. Okay, so it's complete. You know there are tools available on Procreate where you can create mandala or kaleidoscope design too, but AMAZIOGRAPH offers more options such as grids, and that's why I decided to talk about it today. It's around $1.2 US, so it's pretty cheap, and I highly recommend downloading it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.